What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add a section to your blog post, to your page, to your sidebar on your WordPress website, where visitors of your site can send you private messages or ask anything anonymously. Okay, so imagine the following scenario. You would like to receive messages for unidentified persons on your WordPress website, like histories, private ideas, and ideas without identification. Okay, how to do this? This is what we're gonna learn into this video, without coding, into a simple, fast, and free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just internet on site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is navigate to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, and click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to the keyword field, you're gonna be able to see a search box called search plugins. Right here we're gonna type ask me anything anonymously, okay, just like this. And here is the guide that are gonna be installed by Aaron Badeus. Click on activate after click on installing. Click into the activate again, and this is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And right here we're gonna be able to find the plugin installed. Also, if you review the left sidebar of menus on the WordPress dashboard and hover mouse over settings, you're going to be able to find next to privacy the plugin settings. You can click on it, and here is the shortcode generator. You can choose the location. You can change the answers list, author name, someone, text message. You can change the texts right here in order to move to your own language, for example, okay, or enter your questions. Verification question: what is 7 plus 5? You can change the question and the answer, okay. Enter your answer, ask anything. You can fix anything that you want right here, okay. So avatar size, show or not, navigation, show text question, additional from elements, show credit link, hide or yes, and here is your short code, okay. We can even apply custom CSS into this tab in the case that you want, but no need for it. Now let's apply this field so our site's real visitors can ask us anything. You can go to one of your pages, you can create a new page, click into the plus button to add a block, search for shortcode widget, and enter the shortcode. Let's publish the page. Of course, you can enter this shortcode into a sidebar of your blog, into your footer, into a section of your page. If you are using a place builder, you can also do this. There is a notice. This notice is gonna be only appearing for me because I'm the site administrator and I'm logged into the site. But here is the form. You can make any kind of questions without identify yourself, okay? You need to answer the question to avoid spam and ask anything. Let's try to do a question into another. Let's try again. So we got this error. Sorry, comments are closed for this eating. Let's go back to our page, okay, into the pages list on your WordPress dashboard. Find the page that you just have created, click into this quick edit button and allow comments, because the answers of your button goes to the comments. So click into the update. Now let's try again. And here is my comment. Why I see the photo and the name? Because I'm logged in to the WordPress. If you are logged out, you're gonna see a monster avatar without your real photo and with your comment or your question. Simple, easy, and helps you to create private things, okay? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case you don't have any question. Don't forget to check out our Visual Modo borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that can start to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Or Sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing, or you can submit your site for be promoted, your site, your app, your landing page. And finally, in the case you don't want to go premium when you're doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, in addition to premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!